Two men are now being accused of killing thousands of American eagles and selling them on the black market. According to the Department of Justice, Simon Paul and Travis Branson were indicted by a grand jury for killing 3,600 birds on the Flathead Indian Reservation in Montana. Those include golden eagles and bald eagles. The DOJ says the killings happened between 2015 and 2021. Now, Paul is from St. Ignatius, Montana. Branson is from nearby in Cusick. It's illegal to harm or kill a golden or bald eagle under a protection act that's been in effect since 1940. Paul and Branson now face conspiracy and wildlife trafficking charges. They're scheduled to be arraigned on January 8th in Missoula.